How can I disable the notifications, banners, and badges on my iPhone?
Welcome to this quick guide on how to disable the notification banners and badges on your iPhone. Notifications can sometimes be distracting, especially if you're receiving them continuously. So, if you want to keep your iPhone experience distraction-free, you're in the right place.
What are notification banners and badges?
Notification banners are small alerts that pop up at the top of your screen when you receive a new notification, while notification badges are the red circles that appear on an app's icon showing you the number of new notifications for that app. Both of these can be easily managed through your iPhone settings.
How to disable notification banners?
To disable notification banners, follow these steps. 1. Open your iPhone Settings app. This is the gray icon with gears located on your home screen. 2. Scroll down and tap on Notifications. 3. You will see a list of all your apps. Select the app you want to disable banners for. 4. Under the Alerts section, uncheck Banners. This will prevent notification banners from appearing for that specific app. Repeat this process for each app for which you want to disable notification banners.
How to disable notification badges?
If you want to disable the notification badges, follow these steps. 1. Go to your iPhone settings. 2. Scroll down and tap on Notifications. 3. Select the app you want to disable badges for. 4. You will see a switch titled Badge App Icon. Toggle this switch off to disable the red notification badges for that specific app. Remember, you will need to repeat these steps for each app you want to disable badges for. And that's it. You now know how to disable both the notification banners and badges on your iPhone. Remember, managing your notifications effectively can lead to a more peaceful and distraction-free iPhone experience. Hope this guide was helpful and you can now enjoy using your iPhone without any unnecessary interruptions.